Dayo.
Shout out, Video King Taxi. Nanapod ko diri ha. Kalaway, kaduang hugna ni Coach Timoy ninyo diri. Kalawa, Video King Taxi, good kayo. Pangitaon ninyo ni dapat kanang pink nga color na taxi. Tsambahan ninyo na ang pangalan nila Video King Taxi. Okay, ang Facebook page kay Hernan
Elmer
Logrosa.
Nada sa likod, tanawar ko sa likod.
Ayaw lang picture. I-type lang. May masave mo na, masave. Tonight, the day that since I found you. Oh, even the days are brighter. Someone will love beside you. Even the night are better since I found you. Awa, kunamo sa Video King Taxi, mura raw ka ng masipag traffic ng Davao. Di mo makapoy. Good kayo. Malingawan mo.
Lingaw.
Ikadua na rin hunang ni Coach Timoy ninyo ha. Nakita na rin ako. Ikatulo ko na rin ipangita ba? I never dreamed that someone would hold me. I never told me now that I found you. Even the night too better. Now that we came together. Isin na tulitan.
Tanawalan ni sa Logrosa Vlogs sa Facebook.
Ano? So, type ang tatang Jimba Jikas. Type ang Jikas media. Kaya pa kumanisin.
Dire lang taagi kay girepiran na mo doktor.
Since I found you. Okay naman pag madugay.
Yawas.
Darling, someone love together. Even the nights are better since I found you.
Gusto mo na.
Shout out kang Coach Timoy o kang Video King Taxi.
Lagi
Sa iyang Facebook page kay Elmer Logrosa. Dito mo follow ha. Kung gusto mo sakay taxi, hapapain ninyo ni. Hapapain ninyo kay di mo makakita o group na taxi, bugnaw kayo. Lubat. Saka ballpen.
Birahe ikaduha.
Naman to na kasi.
Greda ikaduha boss mo eh.
Okay. Air supply ang grada niya kasi hindi kaya. Kaya ako na lang. Nasip mo ka. 0956200691. When she looks at me, ayayka. And know the girl she takes, nobody else can see. All the secret fear inside and all the business I have. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge me, she just takes me as I am. Come with me, she believes that I paid something I never know before. Come with me, she believes that I love has sent me up in that door. Patay, di na kaya. Myself. Dili, naan pa. Ay, kung dansa tiro, Lady Charm. Oh, dari lang ko si Coach Timoy kay niabot namin dire, manalapi sa Coach Timoy dire. Okay.
Iyawas mga guys, no? Thank you. Iyawas. Salamat kayo, Boss Timoy.
Video King Taxi, shout out.